Hello and welcome to growing rosemary as choosing the right soil. Rosemary thrives on well drained soil that is rich in nutrients. We recommended using a mix of potting soil, sand, and sunlight to create a light and airy growing medium. It's also important to make sure your container has adequate drains holes to prevent water from accumulating at the roots. Once you have your soil ready, it's time to plant your rosemary. Gently remove your plant from its container and loosen the roots with your fingers. Place the plant in your prepared soil, making sure the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. Water your rosemary thoroughly after planting and be sure to check the soil moisture regularly to make sure it stays evenly moist. Rosemary needs plenty of sunlight to grow and thrive. It's important to choose a location for your plant that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Rosemary also prefers warm temperatures, so make sure to keep your plant in a location that stays between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. As your rosemary plants grows, you will need to prune it regularly to encourage bushy growth and prevent it from becoming too leggy. To prune your rosemary, simply pinch off the tips of the stems with your fingers or use a pair of sharp scissors or pruning shears. This will encourage your plant to grow more foliage and keep it looking full and healthy. Once your rosemary plant is mature, you can begin harvesting the leaves for use in your favorite recipes. Simply snip off the stems with a pair of scissors and use the leaves as desired.